Clinitude is a small-sized CRO, mainly focusing on working integrated with sponsors and sites, really to drive the clinical trials in a very agile, dynamic, and sponsor-focused way. The future of Clinitude is looking bright. We have engaged with Oracle, and I truly believe that an Oracle platform will really drive the further expansion, because it's a unique platform which will enable really to integrate all different systems from all different sites, all different hospitals, with other systems like EDC, like safety databases, and so on. Also, in the terms of the way we are working, having access on one single platform in a remote way will reduce significantly the burden of the sites, which will really drive a lot more studies to take happen and enable the sites to recruit more patients in their trials.
Hey, did you like what you learned? Make sure to check out this video or this link, and of course, subscribe now.